No. What is that?
It's video for me, for myself, for my.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. That's why you are so beautiful.
Uh,
Can I ask you only one question? Do you know Morocco?
yes, we do.
Yes. What do you know about Morocco? Can you tell me, please?
The markets.
Marrakesh.
Yeah.
Have you ever been there?
No.
No.
No, I've
Why?
never been.
Only you heard about Marrakesh.
Yeah.
You have to be there maybe one day. What?
Yeah.
What
We
about
will.
you? Yes.
Yeah.
Why not? What do you know about Morocco?
Well,
Not much.
no.
Nothing about Morocco.
Well,
Oh,
it,
yeah.
it looks absolutely beautiful.
On pictures,
Thank
of
you.
course.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like a great country, and one day we'll go there.
So if I told you what can you say about Moroccan people? Do you know some Moroccan people in Germany or
No.
no?
Not personal.
Not personally. But if I told you, can you send a message to them? What can you say? Be spontaneous.
Yeah. That's not really my thing.
Do you know any word in Arabic?
No.
In-
no, I
no.
don't. Can you teach us?
Yeah.
Yes, you want to teach?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Like Salamu alaikum, it means hello. Good.
Oh, well, yeah, we
Yes.
heard of that.
Yes. Oh, I'm honest, you know.
Okay, what?
Yes. Salamu alaikum. Salamu alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Yes. Like كيديرين. How are you? كيف حالكم? كيديرين.
Kiririn.
If you ask someone, Salamu alaikum, I say, hello. How are you? Salamu alaikum. I'm fine. كيدير لاباس؟ لاباس.
Ah.
Oh,
So,
okay.
it's
That's
difficult.
Sounds really
No, I will
hard.
touch you. If I told you كيديرة, you told me لاباس.
Lebes.
كيديرة لاباس. السلام عليكم كيديرة.
Lebes.
What's your name? أشنو سميتك?
Olympia.
No, what's your name is أشنو سميتك?
Ashnul.
No, أشنو سميتك?
Ashnul.
So I'm ask you and answer me. أشنو سميتك؟ So there, what's your name? Tell me what's your name? أشنو سميتك؟
Olympia.
أولمبيا. اسمي أولمبيا.
اسمي Olympia.
وأنت شنو سميتك؟
اسمي Lara.
لاغا. لاغا. عينك زوينين means you have beautiful eyes.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you سي شكرا شكرا.
شكرا.
انا نتلوط عليك نقول لك I will tell you عينك زوينين like you have beautiful eyes you told me شكرا.
شكرا.
لارا عينك زوينين للساطة.
شكرا.
You are so
But do you
kind.
know any German words?
Yeah.
Me I know. Hallo wie geht's?
Ah.
Uh,
Sehr gut, danke.
Danke.
Yeah, thank you. I know also Vamagassi, like I miss you, Vamagassi or something.
Vermisse.
Famesse.
Ah,
Oh.
ich vermisse dich.
Famesse. Can you teach me? Okay.
Yeah.
Teach me some word in Germany.
Mein Name ist Olympia. Was ist dein Name?
My name is Amada. Was dein Name?
Olympia.
Olympia. Nice to meet you in Germany.
Schön, dich kennenzulernen.
Oh my God. Can you repeat, please?
Schön,
Schön,
dich
die,
kennen
schön die kennen,
zu lernen.
schön die kennen zu lernen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
In Arabic, it's easy. Nice to meet you. You told me now what you told me now. Nice to
Oh.
meet you.
Nett dich kennenzulernen.
Means what in English?
Nice
Sit.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. In Arabic, it's مشرفين.
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 مشرف.
مشرفين بيك. Nice to meet you. So what can you touch me other?
Litfaßsäule.
Let
Litfaßsäule.
let في صالة.
Litfaßsäule.
Let في صالة.
I don't even know how to spell it.
But in English means what?
No idea.
Well, it's the
Is this round thing where you stick posters to?
yeah.
Or commercial or stuff like that?
Commercial, but only teach me knowledge word when you want to make knowledge with the people.
Okay.
Okay?
Wie alt bist du?
Wie alt bist du means what in
How
English?
old are you?
I'm 29 years old. What?
Ich bin 29.
Yes, it's no, it's And you, how old are you? شحال عندك من عام؟ شحال عندك من عام؟
Shalan,
بدك من عام؟
shalan,
Ask your friends شحال عندك من عام؟
shalan, man.
19.
19, you are still young.
Yeah,
I'm older than you.
yeah, 10 years.
So, I will ask you some question in English, and you
Okay.
can answer me, and you can ask me and answer me. I want to know like mentality Germany. بغيت نعرف العقلية ديال الألمان. For example, can you accept marriage with a man he doesn't have money? Be honest. Yes or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't care about money.
No.
No.
The important between relation is what?
The most important.
Yeah.
The-
Feelings and understanding.
Feelings.
I
It's
guess.
أحاسيس.
Yeah.
And understanding.
And understand means you
Yeah.
understand the other.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
they understand you, care of you. So, other question, can I?
Yeah.
Of course.
Do you accept to be with a man like it's not your, like you are Germany, is not Germany? Maybe you can be Moroccan, you can be,
Yeah.
Of course.
it's
Yeah.
no problem.
No.
No.
Not at all.
Not at all.
No, oh, thank you, you are so kind. But can you tell me why? Because I want to know why.
Oh well, I guess. Well, I guess Germany's not tolerant but open to the world. So you know,
Yes.
especially Hamburg is a great city for
The humanity and the man, he
international-
will be nice and this
Yeah.
is important.
And
You'll
you
be
can come
responsible
from everywhere. of the
everywhere.
world
ما كان
and-
ما كاينش مشكل.
and
That's
you're
why I
welcome.
want to say something. I want only first. I want only make picture or what you told me Germany. I know that they are very nice people.
No.
Because I want to be honest with you, my ex-girlfriend from Germany. I will tell you other things. She was here in France, in Paris, 1 year.
Oh.
And when she go, it's far with distance, you know.
Yeah.
It's difficult because
Yeah.
she was here babysitting, you know, this what?
Yeah, au pair.
But
Yeah.
it's finished. That's what I like Germany people. They have a nice mentality.
Oh. That's
So
nice to
you
hear.
can-
Yeah.
Yes, I swear of my God that I'm honest with you.
Yeah.
And the proof that you are so kind and you are so
No.
beautiful.
Thank you.
So you can ask me about Morocco or about something if you want to know something.
Yeah.
Tell me what you want.
Everything.
Yeah.
Ask me and I tell you.
No,
No, thank you very much.
Yeah, I mean, we basically don't know anything.
Yeah.
About
What
it
do you want to know about?
other than
Ask me
that
about.
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes,
Um,
it's very very cheap. You know, if you want to go for a vacation,
Yeah.
you don't need a lot of money like you come to Paris.
Yeah.
But you can only rent apartment with it's very cheap. Hotel it's
Yeah.
50 euros.
Oh.
A very nice hotel in Marrakesh and you can eat food not more than 5 euros or 3 euros.
Yeah.
2 euros you can eat sandwich
Yeah.
with meat with everything, you know.
Yeah, my mother always wanted to take me there.
And Morocco.
She's really fascinated with other countries basically, and she always wanted to take me there, but we never went because the flights are pretty
Yes.
expensive. So yeah, that's basically all I knew because she always told me that it should be amazing,
Yes, it's amazing.
but we never went. So
No, I hope that
know
you can be
someone from Morocco.
Yes, واخيرا عرفت شي واحد from Morocco.
is he?
Yes.
Dunya.
so at
We do
least
know
half.
someone.
Your friend?
Yeah. Oh well, she went to school with us.
She was nice or not? Be honest.
Yeah, she
Oh,
was
yeah,
very nice.
she
Yeah.
was
But
interested
She
in
was very
everything.
talented.
The-
Yeah,
talent,
and
yes.
open
Yeah.
to
But
everything.
I'm ask you now if you can marry me, you can accept me or not?
No,
No, why?
because I don't know you.
Yes, I know. And you?
Oh well, I'm not thinking about marriage yet. Actually.
Yeah. But if you know me more and you find that I'm good person and I can give you a save and love, you accept me even if maybe yes.
course we would, yeah.
Thank you very much. I know. I always joke, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Because
Sure.
you know I'm so far only because I want to ask about a lot of things
Yeah.
and also too that's why I told you so because I don't know what I to say now. I want to thanks be thankful c'est ça and thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
You are so kind.
worries.
I'm so glad to meet you, nice people like you. And now I confirm that Germany people they are so kind and nice and beautiful.
Good.
And beautiful.
Thank
So
you.
can you say last word? Hello, thank like something in Germany to Moroccan people.
Let us think about it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Was soll man da sagen? Ihr seid alle wunderschön und wir würden euch gerne alle einmal treffen. Wir würden
Und
gerne
sehr gerne
einmal in
kennenlernen.
euer Land reisen.
Auf jeden Fall.
Means
Und,
what in English? I can translate in Arabic?
Oh well. we would love to meet everyone, and we will travel to Morocco one day
Yes.
and
Hopefully.
see the whole country. And yeah, you will be welcome to come to Hamburg as well.
Thank you very
And
much.
see
The
our
last question,
beautiful-
where are you from in Germany? I know Frankfurt. I know Freiburg, it's near to France. Freiburg, I know some
Yeah,
place.
yeah.
Hamburg.
Bayern,
Hamburg.
Hamburg. I know Hamburg.
It's in the
It's a
north.
beautiful country.
So
City.
تقصديرة. So enjoy your day, enjoy your vacation. Nice to meet you.
You too.
I have only the last order.
Okay.
If can I have a kiss in the cheek?
Ah.
Only in the cheek, no more.
We are forever learning, one step at a time.
Oh yes.
The world is turning,
Come on.
I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning.
That is enough.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.